Hello and welcome to Miss Art channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at the digraph E, using E and Y to make E sound. When Mr. E and Mr. Y go out walking, Mr. E does all the talking. He just says his name, E. Can you say that again? E. One more time. E. That's awesome. But Mr. Y won't do the same. You know why? Because he's busy singing. E as in key. K. E. Key. E as in honey. Oh. E. Honey. Are you ready for the next example? E as in money. Oh. E. Money. Let's try one more. E as in monkey. Oh. K. E. Monkey. Shall we try one more? E as in hockey. Oh. K. E. Hockey. E as in donkey. D. Oh. K. E. Donkey. Can you think of any more? If so, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.